legally, products that are imported need to have something called country of origin labeling on them. And indeed, the port authorities, the customs authorities, that's something that's mandated by them. So if they look at your products, check your products, and they've come from China, for instance, and they do not have a made in China label on it somewhere, or advisory kind of note on it somewhere, then you won't get your product into Australia, for instance, wherever the target country is. You won't get them in. So you should consider that. Now, on Amazon, there is no such thing. This is confusing for a lot of people, but the country of origin sticker is not mandated by Amazon. It's mandated by the customs in your relevant country. Okay, that's who mandates that. So as far as Amazon's concerned, they don't give a rat's ass where your product came from. They just want to sell your product for you. They don't get involved in that. So then the question, I think, then becomes, if you don't have the country of origin label on, what's the likelihood of you getting caught? And the answer to that is very, very minimal, is the answer to that. However, I will also say this. For me, I don't see a problem at all with having the sticker on. Most folks know that their products are getting made somewhere else, China, Africa, wherever it might be. Most folks know that their products are getting made somewhere else, and they don't give a rat's ass about that. So unless you're building your brand around made in China and then get your products made in Australia, which is kind of disingenuous anyway, certainly wouldn't recommend that, then I don't see it's really an issue. So I think you're probably worrying about something that your customers wouldn't give a rat's ass about. Your customer only cares that the product works and the product does what you say it will do. They don't care, for the most part, where the product gets made. However, they would care if it then transpired you were saying it's got made in Australia and you actually got it made in China. I'm sure there would be an issue around that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.